realize I'm your father, the king? The king? My fault!
You did what?
The night may seem so long, but it does not last forever.
Don't even try pretending to me when I made this sick.
I have all the accessories, and I'm going to beat her to this day.
Oh dear! I hope no woman is trying to take your attention away from me.
Don't even try to come close.
Your daughter should not be an obstacle for my son's forthcoming marriage.
I disagree with you this time around.
Wherever you go,
Your son came here and stole my daughter away.
With all due respect, my king, your money cannot buy my love.
with all due respect, is another form of disrespect.
For what you've done to me, war shall be your portion.
Don't let me fall!
If you fall, you fall in love with me.
True love is more precious than all the treasures of the earth.
Obimo sagibo nyamfuru nanya nkemo ibu love mo sagiko bimnacho sagibu love mo enyembo bimo ewo onyemfuru nanya.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.